So we're replacing windows on the house now, and this window that has an elliptical top, we're going to change to a square top window, but we'll square up the elliptical with a panel on the outside. I think on the inside it'll be square. This is where we've taken a window unit out, and they take this torch and they heat the glass up, and then they can pull the glass loose. The torch softens up the adhesive, and then he can pull the glass out. So this is what one of the window frames looks like when it's being deconstructed on the way to a new window going in. There's the man right there. What's up? And so we've been out here now for the better part of 3 or 4 days replacing these windows, and it's going really well, except we're about to hit the rainy season. So Antonio's gonna ratchet it up, man. He's gonna ondulate them windows. All right, we'll be back for another video later.